Welcome to the 2X Application Server XG training video. In this brief video, you will learn how administrators can configure the 2X Cloud Portal for users to access their published resources from anywhere using a standard web browser. 2X Cloud Portal for cloud computing makes it possible for users to access their resources such as applications and virtual desktops from anywhere. The 2X Cloud Portal allows users to seamlessly access published resources from multiple farms. Using the 2X Cloud Portal, the published resources are accessed through the web portal according to the filter settings configured by the 2X Cloud Portal administrator. Refer to the 2X product manual to see the supported operating systems and browsers. The first step after installing the 2X web portal is to direct the browser to http://localhost://2xwebportal/admin.aspx. Now you can see the 2X Cloud Portal administrative logon page. Log in with the username and password with administrative rights on the IIS machine. By default, the 2X Cloud Portal listens on port 81. You can also log on using Secure Logon by checking the Secure Logon option. Click Login. Now that we are logged into the 2X Cloud Portal, let's take a look at the administrative configuration options. You can see the top menu includes an online manual, farm settings, and general settings. Let's start with the farm settings. By default, the 2X web portal will use the local IIS server name as the default farm name. However, administrators can easily change the farm name or add multiple farms. First, click on the default farm name. Now let's enter the server alias name. We will use 2X domain DC for the purposes of this video. Next, we will enter the IP address or host name of the 2X Secure Client Gateway. If you would like to use a secondary 2X Secure Client Gateway, you should enter the IP address or host name accordingly. Next, we will select the connection type. The choices are SSL mode and direct mode. For the purposes of this video, we will use direct mode. Next, we will enter the port number that will be used to connect to the 2X Secure Client Gateway server. For the purposes of this video, we will use port 85. Under Advanced Settings, you can configure override of the options on how the 2X client will connect to the 2X Secure Client Gateway. These options allow the administrator to override the options that are used in the 2X Secure Client Gateway details. For the purposes of this video, we will not configure the advanced override settings. Note, if the client is already installed, it will be automatically detected. If not, you will be prompted to install the client. Now click Apply Settings. Let's move to the General Settings link. Here we will enable logging. The 2X Cloud Portal can log all the actions that are carried out by an administrator or user. The log can be cleared by clicking on Clear Log at the bottom of the configuration window. 2X Cloud Portal will compress the log file to a repository on a weekly basis. Click on Download Repository to download the stored logs. Next, let's look at the System Settings link. This option is used to configure the session in security settings. The Session Timeout field allows you to set the amount of idle time that has to pass before the session ends. The default is 20 minutes. Also under Security Settings, we can select to use Private Logon, Public Logon, or Show Public/Private Logon options. For the purposes of this video, we will use the default Private Logon. Enabling the Enforced Security HTTPS/SSL settings forces the user to connect to 2X Cloud Portal in SSL/HTTPS mode. Note, the user will not be allowed to connect to the farm if SSL is not enabled from the 2X Application Server XG console. Enabling the favorite settings allows the user to save the 2X Cloud Portal URL as a favorite. When the Enforced Advanced Client Security setting is enabled, no session settings are stored on the client. This option requires 2X Client version 10.1 or higher. You can also enable Show Change Password option and Admin Page Security. Now, click on the 2x Clients link. Here you can enable the client detection. You can also configure the client detection failure options. You can see the drop-down menu of available choices. Also, you can see the various supported client installation options listed below. Let's move to the Customize Appearance link. Click on the default appearance. The 2x Cloud portal can be customized to show a personalized experience. Settings can be created to add a custom company name, company logo, banner, and message. Each profile will have a different URL that can be given to the users. Note, the company's ID is a unique ID that distinguishes one profile from another. This is set by the system and cannot be changed. The company name is the name of the cloud portal that will be displayed to the user. Below, you can see all the customization options you can configure for the appearance profile. Now let's look at the replication settings. This allows the user to have 2x Cloud Portal installed on more than one machine for high availability with multiple gateways and multiple 2x Cloud Portals. This setting can be useful to keep the settings of each web portal exactly the same. You can also use the replication settings feature to avoid setting the configuration for each web portal. Let's add a replication server. For the purposes of this video, we will use 2x Cloud 2 and click Add Server. Now you can see the host name and port number that is configured. By default, the Override Advanced Farm Settings box is checked, allowing you to replicate the advanced settings for each farm. Next is the Software Update link. The 2x Cloud Portal is set to automatically check for 2x Cloud Portal updates online. If an update is found, the administrator will be prompted to download and install the update. The update feature can be disabled, and updates can be installed manually by clicking on the Check Now button. Finally, let's look at the About link. The About section provides information about the 2x Cloud Portal version currently installed on the system. Thank you for watching. This concludes the video training on how administrators can configure the 2x Cloud Portal for users to access their published resources from anywhere using a standard browser. For more information, visit 2x.com.